Hello फरायसाफोर, आसा खालामो नोंसोर बयबो मोजाङै दं। दिनै जोङो चैप्टार 9 नि Algebraic expression नि सोंथि बिदां 9.1 खौ सल्भ खालामगोन। बियो मोनसे इजि एक्सारसाइज होननानै आं बुंनो सानदों। मानोना बेबायदि एक्सारसाइजखौ जोङो आगोलनि चैप्टारावबो खालामखांबाय। बेयो इजि एक्सारसाइज। दा नैबे एक्सारसाइजआ मोननै प्रिन्सिपल लानानै दङ दे, some rules and laws। मोनसेयानो जाहैदों laws of indices, आंनि लिरनि जों मिथिगौना a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n। ओके, बेयो मोनसे law, ओके, गोसोआव लाखि। आरो बेनिफ्राय दङ साइन रुल्स। साइन रुलखौबो बाहायदों बाव, जेरैहाय प्लास इन्टु प्लास इक्वल टु प्लास, राइट? थिग बेबायदिनो माइनास इन्टु माइनास इक्वल टु प्लास। बेनिफ्राय प्लास इन्टु माइनास इक्वल टु माइनास ना? माइनास इन्टु प्लास इक्वल टु माइनास। बे जाबाय नम्बर 2। बे गासिबो गोसोआव लाखि। बेखौनो बाहायदों बे एक्सारसाइजआव। बे रुल्स, नैबे जाहैबाय लॉज अफ इंडाइसेस, नैबे जाबाय साइन रुल। बे मोननै जिनिसखौनो बाहायदों बे एक्सारसाइजआव। बेखौ बाहायनानैनो जोङो बे सानजाबगासैखौ दिहुनगोन। ओके, अलराइट। दानिया नैबेखौ खालामनि दे। ओके, नैबेखौ खालामनानै नायनि। सानजाबगासै दिहुन। Just we have to multiplication ल', बेखौ खालामनि। 3x square into 11xy into 2/3y square। ओके, फार्स्ट स्टेपआनो जाहैबाय बे नम्बर्स 3, 11, 2/3 फोरखौ खाथि खाथियाव लाबो। 3 into 11 into 2/3। ओके, दानिया जोंहा दङ x square into xy into y square। नैबे y square xy x square x square। ओके, दानियाफोरखौ मल्टिप्लाइ खालामदो। बे 3 गाहायाव 3 केन्सेल आउट जायो। 2 11 into 2 is 22। now x, now बावबो x square दङ, बावबो x दङ। होमबा नैबे रुलखौ बानाय। ओके, होमबा जोंहा दङ x square प्लास नैबे 1 दं दे, 1। दानिया फैगोन y, जोंहा बाव 1 दङ, नैबेयाव 2 दं। 1 plus 2। Okay, so this is equal to what? 22 x to the power 3 y to the power 3। This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Easy, understood? नैबे रुलखौनो बाहायदों, नैबे गोसोआव लाखि। ओके, गासिबो इजि थार। अलराइट, दानिया नैबेखौ खालामनि। ओके, नैबेखौबो खालामनानै नायनि। मा लिरदों? 5 minus 5, minus 5x bracket into 3a square into again minus 3ax। नायदो नै, minus 5 खौ लिरग्रो, into 3 दङ, बेनिफ्राय minus 3 दङ, into जोंहा दङ x into a square into a and x, right? X, a square, ax, minus 5, 3, minus 3. Okay, then I go send the minus minus plus na. Minus into minus is plus, right? So this is plus 45, okay, into then x, remove x down, x, và x 1 plus 1 into a tunggu square ni, a2 plus 1, remove 1 down. So this is equal to how much? 45, sorry, 45, no, this is 45, 45, then x to the power 2, then a to the power 3, okay? X 1 plus to the power 1 plus 1 equal to x square. When you apply a to the power 2 plus 1 equal to a to the power 3. Okay, so this is the answer. Because non-jima ko sanjok kure. Okay, when you apply x, jangan bawa x tu munci, ni bawa x munci tu bawa x square kan. When you apply jangan a square tu bawa ni apply a tu bawa a cubed. Okay, this is the answer. Easy? All right. Hmm. Okay. Maybe ko kalam ni. Hmm? Minus 3pq bracket into minus 15pq q cube into q square, right? Minus 3pq into minus 15p p cube q cube into q square. Okay. Then minus 3 को अगलो लागू करें, minus 15 को अगलो लागू करें. Okay. Then raising up pq into p to the power 3 q to the power 3 into q square, right? Okay. So this is equal to what? Minus a minus minus becomes plus. So again 45. 45. Then p managan nibo 1 tungo, nibo 3 tungo. So 1 plus 3 when you play q mama tungo about 1 tungo plus nibo 3 tungo plus niveau 2 tungo. Okay, so this is how much? 45 p to the power 4 q to the power 6. This is the answer. So 45 45 p to the power 4 q to the power 6. This is the answer. Okay, 3 into 15 45 minus a minus plus p1. So P3 to P4 again, then Q1, then Q3, Q to the power 3. So 4 हो गया, 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, easy? Alright. Nego kalau ni betul sa type ni, yeah, there's a type, but easy. 3x, 5x square plus 8. That means first Beijing Sanjao kure biko, when you try biko Beijing Sanjao, get 0 plus 2. So this is equal to 3x into 5x square plus 2 more 3x into 8. Okay, so this is equal to what? 3, not 3, 15 jangan na. We had 15 jangan na. 3 into 5 is 15. Then x you have 1 about 2 so become 3 plus 3 into 8 is 24. Then x. This is the answer. Okay, easy. All right, next. Aku kalamnya easy chapter. Okay. Okay, ni aku kalam ni. Okay. Let me scroll up. All right. Okay. And maybe ko kalam ni. Fifth. Okay. 2 by 3 y bracket 18 y square minus y. Agal ni ba jini biba? Beko bijeng chanjak. Bini pray beko ar bijeng chanjak. Okay. So this is 2 by 3 y into 18 y square minus 2 minus 2 by 3 y into y. Okay. Now this is equal to with 3 na cancel kalam aye becomes 6. Okay. So 12 y 1 dongo about 2 dongo so becomes 3. Then we have the minus 2 by 3 1 dongo so 2. This is the answer. Okay. This is the answer. All right. Now baby is easy ane. Very easy. Baby je bagi just multiplication baby. Ni biko nahi. Biko bijeng kapsi kalam. Biko r bijeng kapsi kalam. R bijeng kapsi kalam. Okay. Tik baby je ni biye bijeng kapsi. Bijeng kapsi. Okay. Kasi same style. Okay. Bijeng kapsi. Bijeng kapsi. Ambre bijeng kapsi. Okay. Kasi easy ane. Kasi easy je biye. Kasi multiply kepa multiply kalam. अच्छा ये को कलम 10 को कलम में है 3x cube y square bracket xy plus xy cube minus 2 right 3x cube y square xy plus xy cube minus 2. Okay, this is equal to 3x cube y square into this xy. We have plus tungo empirical about 3x cube y square into x y cube, okay, minus 3x cube y square into 2. I mean the 3x to the power 3 x to the power 3 then y square is a y empirical up by ini pricing r beijing r because the mono 3x cube 3x cube y square into x y cube then minus again 3x cube y square into 2 this 2. Okay, so this is how much 3 alone then x about 3 leave 1 so 4 y about 2 by 1 so this is 3 plus 3 and 3 exception x3 3 plus 1 4 okay y 2 plus 3 5 okay minus 3 into 2 is 6 x cube y square x cube y square rounding milena. Okay, so this is the answer. All right, easy guys, easy. Okay, Dania ni biku kalam ni Question number two R 비답사 question 그 동어 산잡과 세 디훈 just multiply 나타이보 money term dong this is mense anibi mense 가시오 비제니 해 money term dong Biko kalau first bijing biko sanjade full okay I'm being proud biko full sanjapinte okay full easy so let us do this one biko kalau ni ha x square plus y na bracket 3 x square y minus y square okay marilin na hiding kita na bijing kacu ko sanjapinte x square into 3x square y minus y square. 이거는 representing 알아. Then plus y tungo into brevigasmi 3x square y minus y square. Okay. Dan yan ni. Para x square ko bijing sanjap r bijing sanjap. Okay. So x square into 3x square y minus x square then y square plus tanah y jengko sanjate y into 3x square y plus minus y into y square. Okay, so this is how much the 3 kolabu kute tanah x sang 2 plus 2 4 y ya mencilo. Okay, oh x square y square plus only 3 x sama sila x square y ya bawa 1 down to 2 minus y cube because 1 down na okay so maja ke 3 x to the power 4y dan yan na ni x square dungo y square dungo x square dungo y square dungo bawa kalamagan itu plus 3 or minus 1 so plus 2 x square y square minus kalamagan na be plus minus 1 to plus 2 minus y cube. This is the answer. Okay. B jene eke B easy. Okay. B easy she 제부 칼럼 easy 탈비 제부 녹 탈비 네비코 네니 데비는 와노 이 탕바이 다니아 니코 네니데 Dania Biber isi ko berapa jenudeng ko kalian ni ko kalam ni ha because 1 by 4 a square plus 3b a1 ha then we have a to the power 3 plus 2 by a then b square Sanjay, okay this is 1 by 4 to the power a into because Sanjay a to the power 3 plus 2 by a b square right 3 2 by a b square then above the money plus 3b प्रयास बीजिंग से जो बनोगे okay a to the power 3 plus 2 by 3 na this is what 2 by 3 say 2 by 3 okay this is 2 by 3 this is 2 by 3 okay 2 by 3 this is 2 by 3 so this is 2 by 3 then b square okay because this is 2 by 3 a to the power 3 plus 2 by 3 b square. Okay, 2 by 3 b square. 2 by 3 b square. Okay, now it is okay. 3b a square. Then here we go equation division. 1 by 4 a square into a to the power 3 plus again 1 by 4 a square into 2 by 3 b square. Okay, 2 by 3 b square plus add the equation of 3b. 3b into a to the power 3 plus 3b into 2 by 3 b square, right? Okay, so this is how much 1 by 4 atau 1 by 4 ka then a 2 plus 3 5, so a to the power 5 plus then b dan jangan na b by 2 magayaw jangan 2 into 3 6 a by 6. Okay, 2 into 3 6, then yang a square b square plus b 3 b then a to the power 3. Okay, plus này để nên cứ hai tông ngó bên cứ cho tông ngó. Okay, mà cứ chẳng khen chẳng còn là hay he you khen chẳng còn là ari thằng vậy mà ra cái 2 b2 b by b b1 plus b2 mới sang cái b to the power 2 và b3. Okay, the power 1 tông ngó the power 2 tông so 3. Okay, so we mana ra cái ang linhakan ko a to the power 5 by 4 plus a square b square by 6 plus 3 a to the power 3 b plus 2 b to the power 3. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. Now let us work on this. Maybe column ni hai 7. This is 7. So very big expression. We'll have written 3 a square b square 3a square b square minus 4c. Okay, ini priori mo dongo a cube b cube plus 2 a to the power 4 b to the power 3 and c to the power 3 minus 6 a b and c. A square b square minus 4c. Okay, a cube b cube plus 2a to the power 4 b to the power 3 c to the power 3 minus 6abc. Okay, so we'll multiply 3a square b square into raising a to the power 3 b to the power 3 plus 2 a to the power 4 b to the power 3 c to the power 3 minus 6 a b and c. Ini mau minus to minus 4c. Okay, into again entire this a to the power 3 b to the power 3 plus 2 a to the power 4 b to the power 3 c to the power 3 minus 6 a b c. Well, column na gali nata ini be copy column na na question ni pre answer zero copy column na guarantee jana go mana very long expression में कहीं एक verify column नहीं है to so correct, everything is correct. Now multiply ang direct multiply column organ है lead by था 3 आने then a square दूंगा now 5 दूंगा 2 दूंगा 3 दूंगा लेकिन 5 जगह. Okay, BLA 2 동어 그리고 3 동어 그리고 5 작은 okay plus then 3 into 2 6 na okay BLA about 2 동어 그리고 4 동어 hanggang 작은 6 BLA 2 동어 3 동어 작은 5 okay C kaya akan C3 okay minus 3 into 6 is 18 correct here isang 2 dongo power 1 dongo okay 3 right we are like oh 2 dongo power 1 dongo okay 3 siya man silo okay okay this is done narito na minus 4C power C kay kaya okay nung kay ni A to the 4 3 B to the power 3 okay plus maybe plus B minus so minus 4 into 2 is 8 right this is 8 then a C ano C man siya tungo bao man tam tungo 4 medyo gila so A to the power 4 B to the power 3 okay B minus tungo B minus tungo so plus 4 into 6 is 24 okay C siapa mencit mobil square dengan umbrella ABC. Okay. Now can we simplify? Bagaimana kau simplify kalau makan ha? Ini mana ni? 5550 gaya. Maybe okay, na? A to the power 3, B to the power 3, then C. We will see. Okay. So we could simplify kalau makan. So 3, A to the power 5, B to the power 5, plus ये हो गया ना 6 A to the power 6 B to the power 5 C to the power 3 okay minus 22 A to the power 3 B to the power 3 then C you thang way tana bi thawai bây giờ by A to the power 4 8 tung ha A to the power 4 B to the power 3 C to the power 4 plus 24 C square C square yo equal wrong this is not there huh? Only C square A B that's it C gaya na C gaya because C changing multiply na square lagi okay so it is already square here so AB so 24 C square AB yeah AB C square this is the answer this is the answer 3 A to the power 5 B to the power nilai nito mo na mas power gila so this is the answer you can verify okay all right tanya ni be number 3 ko kalam ni kahayaw na reciprocal garle kalam simplify all right this one this is 3x 5x these are easy okay these are very easy I can let us do it here itself okay so this is what 3x bracket 5x plus 8 minus 10x okay this is equal to equals 100 division 3x into 5x no plus 3x into 8 then x okay so this is equal to 3 into 5 is 15 then x1 plus x1 power 1 na so 2 okay plus 3 into 8 is 24 only x minus 10x. Okay, so 15x square or 24 plus 24x minus ang kaya ko minus ka naman plus and 14x. This is the answer. Easy? Yeah, this is a very easy sum. Okay. All right. All right. Nibi ko kalam ni 2m plus 3m square bracket minus 2mn. Correct? So, maybe 2m into maybe minus 2mn. Then it like plus. I'll संजब दीजिए 3m square into minus 2mn. Correct? Minus 2mn. Okay, now multiply. This is minus 2 to 4 m. Go m down, so m square then n. Okay, now plus by minus, so minus 3 into 2 is 6. Then we try m of square 2 number 1, so it becomes 3. Then just n. Okay, just n here. So this is how much. That's it. That's the answer. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Easy. Let us do this also. Okay. 2x square bracket 4x minus 1 plus 3x bracket x minus 3. Okay. We go using Sanjab whenever we go Sanjab. Okay, first with this, then this. We have a vowel, then vowel. Okay. So 2x square into 4x maybe, then minus to minus 2x square into minus 1, maybe minus 1. Okay, plus 1. Already minus lawa na, plus 1. Okay. बिल्कुल लेला हो जाइए. Okay, let me erase it. Sorry. Let me erase this one. Then we go one here. Direct one here. Okay. Then a plus 3x into bx. Now minus down, plus and minus minus. So 3x into 3. Okay, so now we multiply. 4, 2 into 4 is 8. Then x square, y 1 down, so 3. Then minus 2x square, you have plus 3 x1 1 x square, then you have minus 3 into this is 9, then you have x. Okay, because 8 cube 0 8 cube here, 8 x to the power 3 maybe this is again x to the power 3 here na, x to the 3 okay. Bao x square down, bao x square down, bao minus, bao plus. Then kaya plus minus kalau mau menggan 1x square. Then this 9x. Okay, this is the answer. Very easy, very easy. Okay, all right. Okay, Dania ni before ko na ini kalam gani ko girly kalam simplify. Okay, simplify. Biko kalam ni number 1 ko na ini. Go solve kalam ni. sorry. Okay, VSI by P plus Q. Oh, no, no, not writing good. A minute, 1 second. VSI by P plus Q square bracket Mavi break Q square minus P plus 15. नैबेजों बेखौ सानजाबग्रो उनावथ' दाजाबनायसो जेबो नङा मारै खालामो जोङो बेजों बेखौ एन्टायार सानजाबगोन बेनिफ्राय बेजों एन्टायार बेखौ सानजाबगोन बेनिफ्राय okay so this is equal to P into Q square नैबे minus P okay ओमफ्राय नै जोंहा प्लास दं प्लास Q square दङ into बेनिफ्राय Q square minus P ओमफ्राय नैबे plus 15 correct so this is equal to सानजाबदो दाना P into Q square minus P into P okay nebe plus Q square into Q square plus minus minus Q square into this P plus 15 okay so this is PQ square minus P square plus then QQ go to dong go tong 24 okay minus P Q square plus 15 okay so this is equal to how much PQ square ani bawa dong na PQ square PQ square ओंखायनो बेयो जागोन बेजों लाथिख' जाबाय गैला okay दा मा मोनगोन minus P square plus Q to the power 4 plus 15 this is the answer okay this is the answer this is the answer all right okay नैबेखौ नोंसोर खालामनानै नायदो इजिथार very simple बेजों खेबसे माल्टिप्लाइ खालामजोब बेखौ गासिखौबो खेबसे बेनिफ्राय बेजों गासिखौबो खेबसे okay easy all right नैबेखौ खालामगोन आं number 3 so बेबो गोरलैयानो y square then y cube plus 3x right y square y cube plus 3x plus y 2xy plus y square right y 2xy plus y square okay so this is equal to go multiply खालामदो y square into y cube plus again y square into 3x plus okay plus y into this y into 2xy plus again y into y square correct so this is how much of 2 dong about 3 dong okay plus 5 जाबाय y to the power 5 plus 3x y square okay plus 2x y x मोनसेल' y y 1 so y square plus बेबो y बेनिफ्राय y square y cube okay दाना मिलायनायफोर दं नामा नागिरदो y yeah 3xy square xy square okay बेयो मिलायदोंना बेजों okay so we can sum these two 3 plus 2 5 so x y square bê milaynay ha x y to the power 2 x y to the power 2 milayding ओंखायनो 3 जों 2 खौ दाजाबा 5 मोनगोन alright plus y cube this is the answer okay this is the answer easy alright बेनिफ्राय नैबेखौ मोनसे खालामबावनि फोर्थखौ गोब्राबै दिनै गोब्राब नङा हा लिरनो गोलावथार एक्सप्रेसना 2 by 3 x to the power 4 y to the power 3 plus 4 by 9 x y to the power 3 bracket 1 by 4 okay into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 x to the power 4 y to the power 3 बेखौथ' जेबो खालामनाङा नैबावसो सानजाबग्रोनांगौ बेखौ 1/4 जों गासिखौबो सानजाबग्रो बेजों खेबसे नैबे 1/4 ना बेखौ बेजों खेबसे ओमफ्राय बेजों खेबसे सानजाबनांगौ okay so this is equal to 1/4 खौ आं आगोल लागोन 1/4 into 2 by 3 x to the power 4 y to the power 3 okay beखायनो जों फैयो then here plus again 1/4 into 4 by y ना 4 by 9 4 by 9 into x y to the power 3 x y to the power 3 okay minus बेयो जेबो खालामनांखाया x to the power 4 y to the power 3 okay so बेखौ cancel खालामो बाव 2 बेजों 2 थाङोबा 2 मोनगोन बाव होमबा मा जाखो 1 by 2 into 3 6 so it is x to the power 4 y to the power 3 plus बावनाय देनाय 4 cancel okay so 1 by 9 then x y to the power 3 minus x to the power 4 y to the power 3 by 6 yeah this we can do something okay this is plus x to the power 4 y to the power 3 see yeah because x to the power 4 no yeah maybe we cancel out kalamai 1 6 x to the power 4 y to the power 3 maybe need minus 1 by 6 x to the power 4 y to the power 3 gitu na then you put plus 1 by 9 x y to the power 3 so this and this cancel out so finally this is the answer only this is the answer answer is 1 by 9 x y 3 this is the answer okay hi जोङो exercise 9.1 सोंथि बिदां 9.1 खौ खालामजोब्बाय माखासे कुइसनफोरखौ खालामाखै गोरलैखौ नोंसोरो खालामनानै नायदो खालामनो हायाखैबा एबा डाउट दङबा कमेन्ट सेक्सनाव लिरदो नङाबा गाहायाव आं इमेल आइडिबो होनाय दं इमेलबो खालामहरदो अके मोजाङै फराय इजिथार नेक्स्ट भिडिअ'आनो जाहैदों सेक्सन 9.2 बेनि उनाव सोंथि बिदां 9.2 खौ खालामगोन थार्ड भिडिअ मोजाङै फरायबाय था क्लियारलिथार गिनाङा एग्जामिनेसनाव मोजां खालामनो हागोन अके बाय बाय टेक केयार